Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very cool way to give all these files serial numbers just in one click. The manual way is to do it one by one to get 01, 02, 03. But what if we have dozens of PDF files or CVs or 100? So it will be very time consuming. Okay, just click on here in any space, shift right click, open PowerShell window here. Okay, then get this code. Okay, I'm gonna leave it in the description. Okay, so back again, notice that we don't have any codes or serial numbers. Control V, paste anyway, then click enter. So in a second 01, 02, 03, and so on. Okay, what if I need to fill the names here, but pure names? Okay, will you do it manually one by one? No, we're gonna take a snapshot. Snipping tool for this, and in the desktop, I'm gonna save it. Okay, just open image to text and we're gonna upload it. Browse. This is the screenshot. Submit and extract. We're gonna get the letters, words for the text. Copy it. I need only the first and second names without any numbers or extensions. And make them in an Excel column in a monobox here to copy. Okay. Oh, this is awesome. Also, when you take the snapshot, do not take the codes with you, just from here. Okay, but anyway, we did it, and now we have the 8 names. So as you can see, it's very time saving. It's a very time saver. So from 1 to 8, and we have here the names in Excel, and we have here the codes. Okay, so I have another code that deletes the coding. This. Okay, PowerShell, Control V, paste anyway, and then enter. Oh, awesome! We have here no codes or no serial numbers. So I hope this helps you, and thank you so much. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.